Now we are going to see building factor tree. Building factor tree. It is not free, it is tree. Building factor tree. Okay. Factor trees help us to find ways of making a number by multiplying. Factor trees help us to find ways. Help us find ways of making a number by multiplying. So look at this. Now I'm going to explain the building factor tree. Okay, example sum 30 is a what factor? We have to find the factor of 30. So factor trees help us find ways of making numbers. Making means they creating a numbers by multiplying. While you multiplying, it creating a number. It making a number. It making a number for 30, because 30 we are going to find the factor of 30. So it making the numbers while you multiply. That is the meaning of the what? Meaning of the particular definition. That is factor tree definition. Okay, I will repeat once again. Factor trees, that is factor trees help us find ways of making factor trees. It's not factors. Factor trees help us find ways of making a number by multiplying. So 30 is example is 30. So this is the factor tree. We try to give it as many branches possible. So if you draw a tree means definitely we have to draw a lot of branches, because you have seen a tree. So tree has lot of branches. So that while the same way we are applying the particular factor tree sum. So we are going to find the factor of 30. So what you are going to do, 30 is a number. So first we have to multiply. You have to multiply any two numbers. What are the possible number? You will get 30. So 5 into 6, 30. So after that what you are going to do, you have to circle the number. So 5 you have to write as it is, and you have to find the factor of what? 6 right now. So 3 into 2 you can get 6. So if you take 2 means what you're going to, you will get 2 by 1, 2 into 1, the same number will come again. So no need to write, you stop here it seems. Okay, so the answer is 5 into 3 into 2. So 5 into 3 what? 15, 15 into 2, 30. You can get the what? Factor. You can get the question, you can get the number. So now you find the factor of 30. The answer is 5 into 3 into 2. So this is a factor tree. This is a factor tree. We try to give it as many branches. So this one branch is another branch. This also one branch. This also one branch. This also one branch. So that is what we try to give at many branches as possible. As much as possible, you have to give lot of branches. You have to give lot of factors. That is what is mentioned. The circled number can be further broken up. So what are the numbers you've circled? That number again you have to what? Break into factors. We have to, if you circle the particular number means you have to find the factor of particular number. That is what they mentioned. The circle numbers can be further broken up. So it will break into 6 we have taken. So we have to create a branch here. We are making a branch here. So this 6 is a factor. So we have to find the factor of 6 means we have to what? Break up the number. That is, we have broken up the number 3 into 6. So that is what we are given 2 branches in particular place. That is what. So 5 into 3 into 2. This is the exact factor. So 30. 30 means what you'll get? 5 into 3 into 2. So factor of 30. Factor of 30 is 5 into 3 into 2. This is the exact answer by using the factor tree method. So now we are going to solve the exercises. Okay, 16. We have to find the factor of 16. So we have to draw the branch. So 2 into 18. Sorry, 2 into 8. Sorry, 2 into 8 we can get 16. So now I'm going to circle it. I'm going to circle. That means I have to find the factor of 8. So what you're going to do, again you will get what? You will get it, that is 2 into 4. So what I am going to do? So now I am going to circle the particular 4. So that means I am going to find the factor of 4. That means 2 into 2. Now you have to write 2, then multiplication, then you must write 2 into. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That means first 16 you have to find the factor. You have to draw the factor tree for 16. You have to find the factor of 16. Otherwise, we are using a factor tree method. We are using factor tree method of 16. That means you have to find the factor of 16, but we are using factor tree method. 16 means 2 into 8, you can get 16. After that, I'll circle the what? 8. After that, I'll circle the 8. After that, I'll circle the 8. So now that means if I circle the particular number means I have to break up the number. So I have to find the factor of the particular number. So 2 as it is you have to write, and after that I have to put the multiplication symbol here. So 8 I'm going to factorize. So I have to find the factors. I have to find the factor of 8. So 2 into 4. Again I have to circle 4. So you have to write the 2 as it is. Then multiplication sign you have to write. So you have to write the 2 here, because 2 into 4 you have to write the same 2 as it is. You have to write the same 2 as it is, bring down, and again you have to put a multiplication sign. Then 4, if I circle the 4, that means I am going to find the factor of 4. So 2 into 2. So if I want to circle the 2 means, that means you can get 2 into 1, the same number repeated. So not necessary to do that. You stop here it seems. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. That means 16 you can get it. Okay, 16 you can get. Now you find the factor of what? 16. So factor of 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is the answer for the question. It's the answer for the question, but we are using factor tree method. This is the factor tree method. Next sum we are going to solve. So we are going to solve 24. We are going to solve the sum of 24. So what are you going to do? 24, you have to circle it. Now you are going to find the factor of 24. That means I am going to write 3 into what? 8, or else 2 into 12, whatever it may be. Okay, simple. First you will take the simple one, 2 into 12. Okay, so start with the very smallest number, 2 into 12. So after that what I am going to do? I have to circle the 12. That means I am going to factor. I'm going to find the factor of 12. So what I'm going to do? 2 into 6. So I have to put a multiplication and you have to bring down this particular number 2. Now again I have to circle the 6. That means I'm going to what? Factor I have to find the factor of 6. 2 into 3. So again what I'm going to do? Multiply. You have to put multiplication here. Then 2. Again I have to put a multiplication. I have to put 2. So bring down these 2. Bring down these 2, this 2 have to bring down, this 2 also bring down. So this 2 and 3 is a factor of 6. Now I'm going to circle the 3 means what I'm going to do? Again have to find the factor of 3. That means 3 into 1, the same number will come. So not necessary to circle the number, you stop here it seems. So this is the factor of the what? 24. So just multiply 2 into 4, sorry 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 what? 24. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24. So factor of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, otherwise you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the right answer for the question. Okay, so we find the factor of 24, but we are using factor tree method. Again I'll repeat, we find the factor of 24 we find the factor of 24, but we are using factor tree method. This is the factor tree method. We have done it already. I've done the sum for you. This is the second sum. We have done it right now. So 24. So 2 into 12. So 24 again I have to factorize. You just what? Bring down the 2 here and put the multiplication sign. Bring down the multiplication sign here also. If I circle the number, that means what you're going to do? You have to factor the particular number. That means I'm going to break up the number. So that is 2 into 6. Again I have to put the circle. That means 6 is going to break up. That means I'm going to find the factor of 6. So again you have to bring down the 2, multiplication symbol you have to write, bring down the 2 here, then 6 I'm going to factor, that is 2 into 3. So this is the factor of 6, 2 into 3. Now if you want to circle the 3 means again have to what, right? 3 into 2, the same number come again. So not necessary to write, you stop it here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So factor of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 and 3, 8 into 3, 24. The same number I have written here also. So this is the right answer for the question.